Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the best Chat GPT hustles to make money online for free in 2023. So let's get started. So first of all, I am using here for my selling my service on Chat GPT is Redbubble. So we can just open here for Chat GPT. So Chat GPT is an open AI software. So we can search as open AI. So here we have to open our open AI website. So we can just go to our open AI. So here we have option of product. We can just click on the product. So in the product we have option of Chat GPT. We have to click on that. So here we can see our Chat GPT. We have to click on our option as try on web. So try on web will give us access to open the Chat GPT on our browser. So we can just open our Chat GPT. So we can see here we have option of new chat. We have to click on the new chat, and from here we will search for the product that we can sell digitally. So tell me 10 product that we can sell digitally. So sorry, it's spelling is wrong. So the ebook, graphic designing, software applications, music and audio tracks, knowledge and insights, your digital. Okay. So in online courses, in graphic designing we can sell the templates. Yes, that's a good idea. So in the Redbubble we can just sell as a gift card. So if you sign up to this site with your account, so the best card or the best we can just search as uh, gift card. We can search as gift card. So here we can see we have here t-shirts. So we can just search as greeting card or gift card, not actually. So we can search as greeting card. Greet. So we can just search as greeting card. So greeting card. So we can just search for happy birthday, like birthday greeting card. There are many greeting cards that you can make. So here are the greeting cards. So you can just see they are selling for like a $1 each. So you can just make yours also. So we can just search as a greeting card you have seen, like greeting card. So we can just sell in our Redbubble also. So we can just make our seller account. So we can just click on our sell your art option. So here we have an option to create the product. So to create the product we are using here as Canva. So Canva is a graphic designing site, and they have software also. So I am using here website for this video. So we can just go the open AI. So we can just use as Canva. So here we can see we can just search as greeting card. Greeting cards. So here we can just make a happy day greeting card, or we can just make a thank you greeting card, or many greeting card. So we can just make a greeting card like this. So it's actually not universal. You have to take the photo of your customers. So we can just make like greeting card this. Happy birthday, wish you all the best. So we can just took this. So here we can see the greeting card is here. So we can just edit it like a background, and we can just add more template designs from your Canva. So we can just make this. We can do this. It's not looking good, so we can just search for the designs. So we can just use this background also. This one is looking good, so we can just use this. You can just change this color also. So we can just make it darker, so it will be looking good. You make it red from here, red from here also. and we can just see the hearts also. We can just make the hearts as a color as red. So here we can see we have a red color heart, and we can just change it all. So here we can see here is a greeting card is ready. So we can just add a page. So we can add a page to wishing him or her. We can just write it here as uh, happy birthday Elara, happy birthday. Let's do like we can just like here, wish you happy birthday, birthday Elara. You can do like this. So we can just change the fonts also. So we can just go here and we can just make the font like this, or we can just do this. So here are the fonts. So this font is looking good. So we will make it bigger, and we can just use the effects also. So we just made it in between like this and a top. So we will click on here as our effect section. So in the effect we have many effects. So let us add effect. So it's glowing, it's glitchy. We have effect of outline. So we can just make outline effect. Wish you happy birthday Ilara. So here we can just make a cake. So let us make a birthday cake. Birthday cake. So here we can just make a birthday cake element type of thing. So we can just make a birthday cake, and we can just see all things. Birthday gift, we can make a birthday gift also. We can make here, and here this is not looking good. You can just make this type of get the gift or Ilara. So here we can just see as birthday gift. So you can use your creativity and make yours also like this. So just make the cake bigger like this. You can just make. So you can just change the background also. So if she's a girl, you can just do pink, or he's a boy. You can just change the color from here. Let us make the color as will look good. So previous color pink was looking good. So we'll choose as pink, or we can just choose as here at our gradient colors also. So let's choose as this color. This color is looking good, much better than previous colors. So we can just share. So in share option we have our download. We click on download. So here it will be downloaded within few minutes. So when it will be downloaded, we have to just upload to here at Redbubble from here as Cellular. So not in here, we have to just log into our Printful. In Printful, we have to just log in from here. We can just go to sign up. So Printful is a site that prints in like if you have an order, we can just connect to here and we can just print from there. Okay. So we'll sign up from here this account. So sell online agency zero this. So we are doing here. So here is our product. So here we can just go to our product catalog. So we can just search as greeting card. So here we can just search as greeting greeting card. It's like a 1.50 cents starting from 1.50 cents. So we can just select the size from it, and we can just create an order template or start ordering. So you can just create a template of your order. You can just skip it, and here you have to just place the design that you have made. So got it. So here we have made, we can just upload the file. You understood. So here we can just see the file that we have made, I think so. So here is the file. So here we can just re-download it. So we can just click on download. So we can just download in our JPG form. So we can just downloading, we just wait. So here is our download. So we can just go here, and here we can just extract the file. So we can just see the files at the top. So we will go to our dashboard. From here, greeting card, we can just click here. So we will go to our quick access. In the quick access we don't have, so let's go to here in our D downloads. So downloads. So here we have downloads. We should have the folder of yes, we have the folder. So we will click on open. So it will start. So here we can see it's uploading. So we can just select this. It's uploading. So here we can just select apply. So let's wait. So here you can see we can just save this template. So got it, save. Yes. So here is our order template is created. So we can, if someone orders from, when we will upload on this, we will verify on this. So we will just place the order from here. So this is how you can just earn from AI. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.